All right, it's a somewhat nice day outside today with the garage doors open. And it's 40 degrees out here in Iowa. That's awesome. So right now, you gotta take off you and the one on the other side, which is right there. And then we should be able to just pull this off. Get that out, put the new one in, and I'll show you what the new one looks like, and I'll show you what the old one looks like, and then assemble it all back together. Okay, so I'm holding a little tube here I just pulled off, and there is your thermostat. And you just rest it right there. Don't bounce off the bucket. Don't bounce off the bucket. Come on. Come on. There we go. Now it's dripping down in the bucket now. Oh, good. And there's where I took it off. I can't really see in there, so I'm gonna put the camera in there. And, okay. Now, let's grab a screwdriver over here and let's just take that off. I don't have a screwdriver. I'll go get one. Okay, it's been several years later, it seems like, but in reality, it's been 4 weeks later. I had to find the gasket, and I looked online, forever. Could not find it. And then I asked one of my friends what I should do, which is who came over and helped me, Fred. And he had the great idea of asking a case dealer for it. So I called the case dealer, and they didn't have any, the place near us, and I asked another one near us if they had any, and they didn't. Then I asked them if they could check for any that is online in a close radius, and there was one 2 hours away. So we went and got that, and here it is right here. And that took 2 or 3 weeks to find, forever, just for this gasket. And then I got my come here. I got all cleaned off under there. I got that all cleaned. Whoops, come on, phone. I got that all cleaned up for the seal to sit on. And now what I can't find is the torque spec for it. So I'm probably gonna put it around 60 to 80 foot-pounds. I will let you guys know if I change that in my opinion. But now I'm gonna get that onto there, and I'm gonna probably put some sealant around here, around the thermostat and the what you want to call it, gasket, and I'll do that shortly. And then just throw everything back on, and it should be all done. What is it, 5 weeks or 4 weeks later? And I'll see you then. Okay, I just put some gasket sealer around the gasket here. Nothing too special, just some super high-tech gasket sealer that's 1,000,000 years old. But it works perfectly fine, probably, hopefully. And now, I torqued these down to 60 foot-pounds. I couldn't find any torques in my guide or whatever. I torqued these down to 60. I didn't put this on the right way. It's fine. I'll probably twist that back around, and I got them both at 60 right now. I don't know what the fans are, but I'll put them at 60 also. So I just made an interesting discovery. All this is supposed to be sponge in here, and as you can see, it's all dirt and falling apart, and here's the actual sponge that some of it is left. I'll come over here on the other side. Way back there. Hold my finger up. Way back there, if you push that in, it's all nice and spongy. But in the front here, all dirt's taken over, come through on the sponge and just eating it or something, I don't know. See, like, it's just fine dirt. You come down here, it's just all dirt and crumbly. That's a kind of a cool thing that I just found out. See, like in here, you can kind of see some like things of sponge and stuff that's just been broken up. And yeah, it's kind of funny actually. It's like a boneyard in there. So I just dug all of it out. And I'm just gonna chuck the rest of the dirt outside. That's kind of funny. And we just got everything hooked back up here. We're not gonna completely satisfy everything exactly. We should plug that in. But yep, I think we got the fan belt down pretty good and everything. I really don't know if we're gonna get this carburetor switched out. I should probably call the guy right now and see if they can take it. And yeah, that'll be it for this episode, and we will see you when we do something. See you next time. Oh God, okay.